A share value equivalent to $6.3690 a coin. The present reach, $6.2604. $6.4490. The earlier day close, $6.2900. The change was plus 0.0790. Plus 1.26%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Axies. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost forecast for July 2023. To start with, cost at $5.95. Greatest cost $7.32. Least cost $5.51. The normal for the month $6.41. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $6.84. Change for July 15.0%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. First and foremost, cost at $6.84. Greatest cost $7.96. Least cost $5.67. The normal for the month $6.98. A share cost figure toward the month's end $7.44. Change for August 8.8%. A share cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else, cost at $7.44. Most extreme cost $7.44. Least cost $6.01. The normal for the month $6.84. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $6.46. Change for September 13.2%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In the first place, cost at $6.46. Greatest cost $6.46. Least cost $5.21. The normal for the month $5.93. A share cost figure toward the month's end $5.60. Change for October 13.3%. A share cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $5.60. Most extreme cost $5.65. Least cost $4.91. The normal for the month $5.36. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.28. Change for November 5.7%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $5.28. Most extreme cost $5.28. Least cost $4.31. The normal for the month $4.88. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.63. Change for December 12.3%. A share cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $4.63. Greatest cost $4.63. Least cost $3.77. The normal for the month $4.27. A share cost figure toward the month's end $4.05. Change for January 12.5%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $4.05. Greatest cost $5.03. Least cost $4.05. The normal for the month $4.46. A share cost figure toward the month's end $4.70. Change for February 16.0%. A share cost expectation for WOC 2024. Initially cost at $4.70. Most extreme cost $4.70. Least cost $3.77. The normal for the month $4.31. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.05. Change for spring 13.8%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with, cost at $4.05. Greatest cost $4.05. Least cost $3.16. The normal for the month $3.67. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.40. Change for April 16.0%. A share cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $3.40. Most extreme cost $3.40. Least cost $2.66. The normal for the month $3.08. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.86. Change for May 15.9%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $2.86. Most extreme cost $2.86. least cost $2.36. The normal for the month $2.66. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.54. Change for June 11.2%. A share cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $2.54. Greatest cost $2.54. Least cost $1.98. The normal for the month $2.30. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.13. Change for July 16.1%. AXS to United States dollars expectations for August 2025. To start with cost at $5.10. Greatest cost $5.10. Least cost $4.33. The normal for the month $4.80. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.66. Change for August 8.6%. Dollar to a share figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 United States dollars to Axie's expectations for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.168 Axies. Greatest cost 0.181. Least 0.137. The normal for the month 0.158. The United States dollars to Axie's figure toward the month's end 0.146. Change for July 13.1%. Dollar to a share gauge for August 2023. To start with cost at 0.146 Axies. Greatest cost 0.176. Least 0.126. The normal for the month 0.146. The United States dollars to Axie's gauge toward the month's end 0.134. Change for August 8.2%. United States dollars to Axie's expectations for September 2023. In the first place cost at 0.134 Axies. Greatest cost 0.166. Least 0.134. The normal for the month 0.147. The United States dollars to Axie's conjecture toward the month's end 0.155. Change for September 15.7%. Dollar to a share conjecture for October 2023. Before all else cost at 0.155 Axies. Most extreme cost 0.192. Least 0.155. The normal for the month 0.170. The United States dollars to Axie's conjecture toward the month's end 0.179. Change for October 15.5%. United States dollars to Axie's expectations for November 2023. At the outset cost at 0.179 Axies. Most extreme cost 0.204. Least 0.177. The normal for the month 0.187. The United States dollars to Axie's figure toward the month's end 0.189. Change for November 5.6%. Dollar to a share figure for December 2023. Before all else cost at 0.189 Axies. Most extreme cost 0.232. Least 0.189. The normal for the month 0.207. The United States dollars to Axie's gauge toward the month's end 0.216. Change for December 14.3%. United States dollars to Axie's expectations for January 2024. In the first place cost at 0.216 Axies. Greatest cost 0.265.